what's up guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel, and this one is sponsored by Elegance. I'm actually gonna jump straight into it because we got a lot to talk about. This first nail, oh my god, you guys have been asking me about this nail for so many years, and I'm so happy to say that Elegance finally came out with a glitter gel, not this one though because this is an oldie, but a glitter gel with the flakes that I am using to create the shattered glass look. And here it is. It's called Expensive and it is absolutely amazing. So as you could tell, you need a silver background to start with, and I was using the metallic buttercream and then the silver sparkle. It is not in the collection of champagne and caviar, don't tell anyone, but you need it, I think, as a base to create a shattered glass look. So now you know how to create it, and it's so fast and so easy. Right now I am creating a very fast and easy ombre to use as a background for the other glitters. So right now I'm just blending it, and it does not have to be perfect at all because we're gonna cover it with the glitter, as you can see here. And these are also flakes. Well, the first one is flakes, and this one is actually no more of a chunky glitter. So with flakes and chunky glitters, you want to work with the tip of your brush and kind of move it around, as you can see me do here. So to blend them together, just keep your brush straight onto the nail, like from above, and then work it back and forward. And it's actually really easy to blend them together. And as you can see here, the background really doesn't matter. If it's of okay blend ombre background, that is totally fine. You're not gonna see anything. And you know, that first color is so funny because, you know, you could see that in the container it looks like it's like a maroonish red almost, and then when you apply it, it's more of a purple. So you can get two different looks from the same color, and it's just a very, very special color. So here I am shaping and I'm cleansing the nails, and I am getting ready for my nail art. So when it comes to nail art, I like to do this preparation before I start painting. So I just apply a thin layer of one step over all the nails that I'm gonna apply nail art onto, and then I cure it and I cleanse it, and then I go over it very lightly with my buffer, and that's it. So now we are ready for the gel paint, and of course I'm using my stripey brush to create my thin lines, and I was really in the mood to create something bohemic. Well, surprise surprise. So that is why I'm creating these crystals. I'm gonna do these astrology patterns, I don't know what else to call it, and then, you know, we're gonna do some stars and stuff like that. But I just thought that it would really fit with the background, and I'm trying to create like an icy type of boho style, and that is also why we are going to leave it matte. I know that some of you guys are just gonna cry because obviously we need to apply our flat matte and then it's gonna look shiny. And then when I cleanse it, it's gonna look matte again. I know some of you, as I said, probably gonna cry, but I will leave you with the shiny look for just a couple of seconds so you can look at that, and then we're gonna move on to the matte design or look instead. Here I'm just going in with a dotting tool. I was using the number 3 to start with, and now I am using the number 1 to get those little tiny stars. And of course, what would, as Celina said, be without the little moon shape around one of the nails around the cuticles? So of course we're gonna do that. So now we are moving on to the flat matte, and as you can see here, now you have the glitter, but to me, maybe that is not so much kind of what I'm going for. I want that icy type of look, and I love doing matte nails. Well, here you got the shiny result, but we're not gonna leave it like that, so we're just gonna move on to the matte. So I'm cleansing, and now you can see that you get that icy wintry type of feeling instead when you do the matte glitters, and that's just something that, you know, I love. And here you have the final results. And of course, I was leaving, the silver nail shiny for you guys. This collection, Champagne and Caviar, is out now. So you can go out and grab it. You should, because it is absolutely amazing. I say that with every single collection, but I truly mean it. So just trust me on that. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel, and also follow Light Elegance YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and product presentations. I really hope you enjoyed this video and this design. Please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it as well. Alright, take care guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!